What's the meaning of activate? Activate. 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 The term activate means to cause something to become active or to initiate some action or process. When we activate something, we trigger it to start functioning or operating. This can refer to a variety of things, such as activating a device, a program, or an account. For example, activating a phone typically involves turning it on and connecting to a network, while activating an account may involve verifying your email or phone number. Ultimately, the result of activating something is that it becomes functional or operational, allowing you to use it for its intended purposes.